Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to a new brand. I'm gonna try on beautiful clothes and I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. During my last visit to the store, I spotted such a cute jacket and I asked the sales associate to transfer it to me in my size. And I also got a skirt, which I'll show to you. I really love this one. I'll probably have to alter the sleeve. It's a little bit long, but it's not a problem. They invited the seamstress so we can just pin it and it will be ready in a week, which is great and very convenient. I love the quality and I'm obsessed with the navy blue color. It's so beautiful and I recently purchased quite a few items in this color. By the way, if you haven't watched my previous shopping and unboxing videos, I will link them down for you guys in case you want to check them out. This jacket is so adorable. I'm so going to get it. And here is the skirt. It's not bad as well, but I would say that the previous skirt that I got is a bit more structured. It's a bit more flattering. I prefer the thicker, the sturdier fabric for the skirts because it just lays better on the body. But it's not too bad and it looks great with the jacket. I just have to make sure that if I buy it, it will look great on its own. Otherwise, there's just no need for me to purchase it. I have a limited space in my wardrobe and I need to make sure that whatever I get, I'll be able to use quite often. And also I have a rule, if I get one item, I will have to let go of something. So I have to make sure that whatever I buy is worthy of me letting go something else that I already have in my wardrobe. Next up is another cute jacket and I spotted this one a few months ago. I liked it, but I was a bit turned off by the price. It was a bit expensive. I was not ready to pay for it, this kind of money. But now the discount is 40%, which is great. So I have to get it. It's so adorable and I just love the neckline. It's so cute. And of course I would probably have to wear it with some tank top, but even like that it looks very nice. I love the pattern, I love that it's so different. I haven't seen such designs anywhere. It looks really unique and so special. I feel like I can create so many outfits with it. And I also love the fact that it's not too thick, which is great. Let me show you the matching skirt as well. Well, unfortunately, this one is not in my size. It's about 2 sizes bigger than my size, but you kind of can imagine how it would look. Hopefully, the sales associate would be able to get it in my size and transfer to the store. I'm just obsessed with the set and I definitely want to have it in my wardrobe. By the way guys, this brand is a British brand and the designer is from Turkey. He just migrated to UK and he has been producing such cool designs. Actually, I was not planning to purchase anything. Well, I just wanted the blue jacket first, but then I spotted these things and I just have to have them. I feel like a lot of brands did not really make an effort to create really stunning designs for the past 5 years. Well, there were some nice pieces here and there, but not many. But I feel like this spring and summer, I'm seeing so many gorgeous pieces that I just have to have in my collection. Actually, at the beginning of the year, I recorded a video where I mentioned that I mainly want to focus on jewelry and buy less bags and clothes, but look at me now. I'm loving so many ready-to-wear pieces. They're just gorgeous. By the way, when I checked their website, I didn't really spot amazing pieces. The clothes was okay or some pieces were interesting, but I would say it looks so much nicer in the real life. It just looks a lot more flattering, especially the jackets. The cutting is really nice. and their smallest size is 36, unlike of French sizes where 34 is the smallest. Sales associate told me that there are about 95% of clothes in the store that are on sale, which is amazing. It's probably like the first year when I'm properly taking advantage of the sales. I feel like if the sales associate cannot get the skirt in my size, I'll just get this one and alter it because I'm loving this look. Next up is another jacket, and this one is in black and the fabric is a lot thinner, but it doesn't get creased very easily, which is quite important for me. And I love the details on the sleeves, it's really adorable. I love the way it looks with the jeans, and I feel like it would match a lot of my bottoms. Guys, I love this one too. It's so gorgeous and so different, but I might sleep on this one just to make sure that I will not have any regrets, because literally I do not have any space in my wardrobe. But it's hard because it's really cute and the price is great as well. By the way, it also has a matching pair of shorts, which is so adorable, and also I saw a skirt, but I actually like it with shorts. I find shorts so comfortable to wear, and these ones are not so formal, which is fantastic. I just love this outfit. It's so cool, so easy to wear, it feels very comfortable, and it's very flattering as well. You can also layer this jacket with another top or even a shirt underneath, and I saw a really cool look on the website. I'm just so in love with this set, it's very flattering, but I'm going to think about it because I just want to make sure that I'll be able to wear it very often. And I will also have to free up a lot of space in my wardrobe. I will have to donate a lot more things because I won't be able to fit everything that I'm loving today to my wardrobe just like that. I feel like if I get this set, I would be able to wear the shorts on its own quite often as well because they are very flattering and I just love the length. I love the fact that they are high-waisted. I also love the fact that the material is not too thick. It's perfect for local weather. It has been very hot lately. Next up is another set, and I have to say I'm not loving the skirt, but I just wanted to show you how it looks with the skirt. I prefer the jacket on its own, and I feel like it would look great with jeans, with trousers. It's so cute. I love the color combination, it's so different, so interesting, and I love the fact that it's cropped and also the fabric is quite light. Again, it's great for current weather, it feels quite comfortable indoors, but it's not too hot. I always find it quite chilly in the aircon, so it's just perfect for me. And if I have to go outside, I can always take it off. Moving on to another beautiful piece, and I just love the color, it's so pretty, and this one is 2 sizes bigger than my size, but I just wanted to show you how it looks, and the sales associate will be able to get it for me in my actual size. Even this piece is not that bad, it's just a little bit oversized, but I want to see it a bit more figure hugging on me. The color combination is so pretty, and I have a few bags in my collection that I haven't been reaching for, but they would look really nicely with this sweater. And I love to buy clothes that will match very nicely the accessories that I already have in my wardrobe. By the way, this one is in my size, and I love the way this one looks on me. I think it looks much flattering when it's a bit more figure hugging. I'm obsessed with this color combination, it's really pretty. Anyways guys, this is it, and I'm going to post an unboxing video, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account. black and gold style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!